Alright guys, welcome to another video. So today we're going to take a look at the products we're going to use in our beard for the month of May 2024 from Black Rebel Beard Co. So if you're interested, stay tuned to the intro. What's up? My name is Doug, the Bearded Outdoorsman. Welcome to another video. If you enjoy beard product reviews, gear reviews, EDC videos, then you have definitely come to the right channel. Take that first step, click subscribe. All right, so today we're going to take our first impression, a first look at our products we're going to be using for the month of May. You can hear them in there. This is from Black Rebel Beard Co. I've never used Black Rebel, but I've seen them all over the place, and I have been waiting to get my hands on them. So that's what we're going to be using for the month of May 2024. So let's dive in. Well, let me back up. If you're new to my channel, how I've been doing reviews, beard product reviews, is I've gone in and picked the company that I want to use and purchase the products, the scent profile that sounds good to me, make that purchase, use those products, whatever I purchase, for the entire month, and then come back at the end of the month and give you a full review of the company, the products, the labels, everything, shipping, the whole works. All right, so when I purchase this, according to Black Rebel, I'm just a customer. They don't know who I am. So let's see what we have. Should be in line with what you would get if you ordered products from them. So we're going to be using the Tinker from Swiss Army Knife today from Victorinox. That's what we're going to be using to get into this. Let's go with the little blade, which still has some tape on it from the last time I used it. Did a review of this. I'll put a card up top. You can go check it out. So where do we have to cut this bad boy? We have to cut here. So if you're new to my channel, please consider hitting that thumbs up button. Please consider hitting subscribe. Let's get that tape cut. I think that's all we've got to cut. Let's see. Ooh, it's tight. Well, or we can just rip box. Close that. And there we go. We ripped it open. So we have our sticker, the wild one. And I can't even remember what scent profile I picked. But that is all we have in here. Oh, I did. I got the wild one. So there it is. This is our butter. And our oil comes in this nice little velvet bag. The wild one, it's got the scent on there. I tried not to look. I did see part of it. I might remember what I purchased. But let's see. So a matte black bottle. Check that out. Really cool. I like the way it looks. There you go. Plus on that, labels look really sharp. Let's see what our ingredients are. Ostrich oil. All right, haven't used ostrich oil in a hot minute. But evening primrose, jojoba, hemp seed, green, coffee bean oil, argan, Moroccan, emu oil, camellia seed, black seed, cotton seed, almond, rose hip seed, neem leaf, ginseng, and aloe vera extract. So there are a lot of unique carriers in this. So let's see what it smells like. Oh, hey. Are you enjoying this video? If you are, make sure you hit that thumbs up button. Make sure to hit subscribe if you haven't already. And yeah, make sure you do that. Ooh, so it is that is, I think, the ostrich oil gives it that cloudy look. Oh my gracious. That smells phenomenal. That is tobacco. What is our scent? Classic tobacco and vanilla. If you watch my channel very long, you know I'm a sucker for tobacco and vanilla, and this is it. So there is our butter. No ingredients. Oh, there is ingredients. Refined shea nut butter, premium ostrich oil mix, and beef tallow and wax. So that tells me this is probably a thicker butter. Comes sealed. I don't think they had a balm. I cannot remember, but look at that. Oh man, that smells just like the oil. So our oil, let's see what consistency looks like. Okay, not too thick. Looks really good. It smells even better. This smells so good. But you got a 1 ounce oil and a 2.5 ounce beard butter. So these are the two products we're going to use for the entire month of May. So stay tuned, and at the end of the month, we're going to come back and I'm going to give you my thoughts on Black Rebel Beard Co. So if you've never used them, I'm sure you've at least heard of them. Black Rebel Beard Co. So the wild one, classic tobacco and vanilla. Let's get it. And I'll see you. Have you ever used Black Rebel Beard Co? Drop it in the comments. Let me know what scent you used. If it was the wild one, let me know what you thought about it. Either way, drop it in the comments. I'll see you in the comments. I'll see you in the next video. So until next time, stay bearded, get outdoors, and God bless.